In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use projects in QuickBooks Online. Projects help you track income, costs, and profitability for specific jobs or engagements, so you can see exactly how each one is performing without digging through unrelated transactions. Start on your QuickBooks Online home screen. Move your cursor to the Create button near the top to open the Quick Actions menu. From that menu, choose Project. This takes you to the projects area where you'll manage all of your jobs in one place. To create a new one, select Start a Project. You're opening a clean project profile that you'll complete with a few key details. Begin by entering a clear, descriptive project name. A good name makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you have multiple jobs for the same customer. Consider a simple naming convention that includes the job type and a short identifier, so your list stays tidy and searchable. Next, choose the customer associated with this work. Linking the right customer is important because it ties all project activity, like estimates, invoices, and expenses, back to that customer's record and reporting. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the correct one. Add the primary email for the project contact. This is typically the person who will receive estimates, invoices, or project updates. Enter it carefully and double check for typos to avoid delays in communication or billing. Set a start date and an end date. Dates help you monitor timelines and filter reports. If the finish date isn't set in stone, pick your best estimate. You can always come back and refine it as the project evolves. Choose a status that reflects where things stand, such as not started, in progress, or completed. Keeping statuses up to date makes your project list more useful at a glance, especially when you're juggling multiple jobs. Use the notes field to capture important context. Summarize the scope, key milestones, agreed billing terms, or anything your team needs to remember. Keep it concise but specific enough to reduce questions later. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your project is now created. From here, you'll see it listed in the projects area, ready for you to assign transactions and track performance. As work moves forward, keep your dates, status, and notes current, and use consistent naming so reports stay clean and meaningful. That way, when you review project profitability, you'll have accurate, actionable insights tied to each job.